Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Um, Today I got a parcel from. Let me just open it and show it to you. Okay, this is Aayami Tyre guard. I ordered this for my Himalayan. Okay, so this is for the tube tire. The red one is for the tube tire, and another is for the tubeless. So I bought it 2 packet of this. Okay, so each one contain around 500 ml. Okay, the price is 2499. I'm like, this is the price they have written it, but uh, I have ordered this. Okay, the price, as they say, it was a Diwali offer, and the each bottle, like the 500 ml, was 1500 rupees, out of which I got a discount of 218 rupees, and they have included 118 rupees for shipping. So the total cost is 1400 approx, including GST. Okay, so I ordered two, so there are two different bills. This is the order number. Okay, let me just, and this is the instruction that they have given. For Himalayan, it is 21-inch rim tire, and we don't have 21-inch, so this is 19-inch, and 19-inch take it around 400 ml. So probably 21-inch will I think I will fill around 450 to 500 ml for this. And the second, the rear wheel is this one, I believe, 120/80/70, 17 for Himalayan, so it will be again 450 ml. So the 50, which is 50 ml from this, I will include on my first wheel on 21. Open one of the box so I can show you what's there in the box. So okay, so this is that, and this is red one, I believe. Yes, it is red one, because Himalayan is a tube bike. It has a tube. It is not tubeless, so I have ordered the red one. Okay, you can read all those things. Price, packed. Okay, so the quantity, it's more than 500 ml, I believe. If you can check this, like this is the mark. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell you, like on this box, look, it's mentioned that it has been tested by ARAI India, then TVS, and the last one, I don't know what is that, IRMRA, I don't know what is that. We know about ARAI and TVS. Yeah, so let me just go to the puncture shop and put this thing in. I've showed you that how much does it cost. It costs 1400 rupees each. Okay, I've used the code NCR200 because I saw this video on NCR motorcycle. Through that I got a code which give me a discount of 218 rupees, out of which 118 was the shipping. So total cost is 1400 rupees. So guys, finally I am at Puncture wala guys. Okay, to get this Aayami tire tube installed on. This is the tube. Okay. finally finished with the one bottle. It's quickly done. Okay, now I have to fix that valve and that's it. First I done. I put all 500 ml for this 21 inch, and also I will utilize all our 500 ml at the back tire as well of Himalayan, because I don't want to waste this, because anyway, what is the point of me keeping this at home? It's better I utilize the whole bottle. Okay, so time for the rear wheel. I've already removed the valve from this. Okay, this is the second bottle. I'm gonna put this all. Yeah? Alright.